Hello students, today we are going to discuss about one interesting concept in relative motion. Okay, we'll try to get a feel of what is relative motion with the help of some simple example. Okay, so suppose there are two people A and B. They are coming in opposite direction. A is going with 60 km/h speed and B is going with 30 km/h speed. So what is the concept of relative motion? Suppose if I write VAB, so this means that velocity of A relative to B, or you can say with respect to B. So what is the reference point here? B is the reference. We will assume that B is at rest. B is at rest. So when two velocities are in opposite direction, the relative velocity is given by, you have to add these two, 60 plus 30, 90 km/h. Okay. Now what does this mean? Suppose B is at rest, then B will feel that A is approaching him at 90 km/h in this direction. Okay, B will feel that A is actually coming at 90 and the direction would be like this. So this is the direction of VAB. Now we'll see it in the other way now. What will A feel? Suppose A is at rest. He will feel that B is approaching him at 90 km/h speed. The direction will be like this. So this will be VBA. You can see here both are in the opposite direction. So we can always write VAB is equal to minus VBA. So this is the concept behind relative motion. We can take another example. In this example, velocity of A relative to B, the formula would be VA minus VB only. Actually in vectors we cannot directly take the difference. If you are talking graphically, you cannot directly take the difference. You have to write VA plus minus VB. So VB direction is this, so minus VB direction will be in the downward direction. Okay, so what is the direction of VAB? VAB direction will be the resultant direction. You have to add, basically you are adding VA and minus VB. You have to draw the resultant of these two. So this is the direction of VAB. Now what does this mean? This means that if B is at rest, how he will perceive A? He will feel that A, who is actually going in the west direction, B will feel that he is going in this direction, A is going in this direction. B will actually feel that A, who is actually going in the west direction, he is probably going in the southwest direction. That is how B will perceive. Suppose if you want to write VBA, so VBA will be VB minus VA. So in this situation, B is in the upward direction, and because VA is in this direction, so this will be minus VA direction. So this will be the resultant. Okay, when you want to draw the resultant, we have to extend this line. This won't be correct. You have to extend this line to draw the parallelogram law. So this would be the VBA direction. So if you consider A at rest, you will feel that B is actually going in this direction. So suppose this A fellow will feel that B actually is going in the northeast direction approximately. Okay, so in the concept of relative motion, we have to fix some frame and we have to see how the other person is going with respect to the first person. Like this, I'll be giving you some interesting concepts which will give you some insights into how these have to be interpreted while solving the problems. At the same time, if you have any doubts, you can send me to my WhatsApp number which will flash there, and you can send me problems and I will try to provide solutions to that. Okay, so just subscribe my channel if you like the content. My channel name is Law of Physics. Thank you.